So I'm on question 36 and I am on part 2. So it's the exact same concept as before. Use the digit cards only once to complete these modifications, and we just need to remember that it is only once. We do have an extra digit card to work with though. But I'm going to keep it the same as it was before, and I'm going to put my 2 there because that is the number that I'm choosing to multiply with. I then want you to start thinking, out of these numbers here, which number could you times by 2, because that's what I've chosen, and you would reach one of these other numbers. I'm going to give you 10 seconds to think about that. And if you've picked 2, quite rightly, because if you multiply 2 by 2, you get to 4. Why can I not use 2 and 4? Just want to think about that as well. So hopefully with that you're thinking, well, I can't use 2 and 4 because I've already used 2. So my only other option is 3 and 6. If I multiply 3 by 2, I get 6. So I'm going to put my 3 here and my 6 here, because if I times by 2, which I'm going to do, I would get to 6. But what I need to think now is out of the numbers I have left, so I have already used the 2, the 3 and the 6, so I have 1, 4 and 5. If I choose the 1 here, because it's my smallest number, remember I want to multiply. If I were to choose the 5 and I multiplied my 1 by 2, which would give me 2, is that going to equal the 5? I'm hoping that you're thinking most definitely not, because 5 is an odd number for starters. So the 2, if it was times by 2, it would definitely not get to 5. So that only leaves me with 4. So I have 2 times 1/3 equals 4/6. And I'm going to double check that by using my 1/3. And I'm going to put my 6 here, because if I times by 2, that is correct. And then if I times this one by 2 as well, that will equal 2. Then I need to ask myself, if I had 2 times 2/6, what would it equal? And my answer is 4/6. Gone a bit wonky there, apologies about that. So hopefully you can see there I chose 2 and I multiplied 1/3 and that was equal to 4/6.